Good afternoon, everybody, on Monday, the 18th of January, 2021. I wanted to kind of take a very fast glance and overview of the crypto madness that's going on and see if we can use our diatonic method to come up with some regional price targets. Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin. Weekly chart here, and to define the price octave, we're going to grab the low from the week of March 8th of last year. That low was 41.0698, and we'll cap the top of the octave from the week of January 3rd of this year up at that high of 41,946 and call it 74 cents. Nice little 10x return for Bitcoin. I've entered the values into our flux capacitor to pull the diatonic targets. We're currently trading mid 36,000s. A paltry small move today on Bitcoin of a lousy $608 as of 5:45 Eastern. The octave then is a range of $37,839. So going up from where we are tonight, our next resistance is going to be 37,216.76, where it may in fact fade. If it doesn't, it's going back to the higher part of the octave at 41,946, and from there I would give it a first price target of $46,676.71. If it were to roll over, the first place that we would look for some support on Bitcoin, 32,486.80. How about Ethereum, good old Ethereum? Here we're going to take the lower part of the octave and anchor it from the week of March 15th of 2020 down around 105.17. It will cap it off at last week's high up at 1347.93. What a run for Ethereum. Beautiful Maribozu weekly candles back to back. So let's define our octave up here in the diatonic calculator. 1347.93 from a low of 105.17. Give me some money on Ethereum. Fire up the Python kernel. We're currently trading at $1,239, again around 5:45 p.m. Eastern time. So for upwards from here, first resistance from where we are right now is the top of the octave, which again was last week at 1347.93. If it cracks that, I think we're looking at 1503.27 near-term target for Ethereum. We can call support for now from 1239. First support at 1192.58. Ultimate strong support down at 934.09 on Ethereum. I'm going to leave you tonight with some light bedtime suggested reading, if you're so inclined. A book from back in the 1800s, 1841, by Charles Mackay, The Extraordinary Popular Delusions and the Madness of Crowds. My favorite chapter is the one on the South Sea tulip bubble, which I think has a lot of parallels to cryptocurrencies today. I am King Cambo. That's Bitcoin for you, some Ethereum for you, some possible long targets, and some potential support targets to give you some parameters. Smoke 'em if you got 'em. And that's how I roll on Crypto Mania.